What's up guys, Know the Gamer Dave here. Welcome back to another video of the Know the Gamer 808 Vlogs and Reactions channel. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about how to set up a live stream effectively, giving you my best tips and tricks of how to set up a live stream and how to get started and all that kind of stuff. So this is your video for you. Definitely stay tuned for the tips. If this is not the video for you, then I would probably click off the video. But in this video, I'm going to give you my best tips and tricks. So tip number one is to set your settings to hardware settings. Hardware settings definitely do better than on your CPU. But you should put it on your GPU because it takes less resources and less CPU usage. So I would definitely set it to hardware, which is either NVIDIA or AMD, one of the ones that come with your PC. If it's downgraded or is upgraded, then I would definitely recommend to actually set it to hardware. And make sure all the settings are also correct on your computer. RAM it runs on. If it has less RAM, I would definitely have it on lower settings, but if you have a really good computer that can handle everything, definitely set it all on high. I would definitely recommend it. So that's what I would definitely do. I would also, another tip as well is to have your base resolution at what your laptop's base resolution is at. So I would definitely put it at that. And for your stream resolution that your viewers are actually going to watch, I would definitely set it to 720p. 720p seems to be better than 1080p. 1080p is more crisp, but it takes a lot of more resources and it's pretty laggy. So I would definitely set it to 720p. For FPS, I would set it to either 60 if you have a good computer, but if you have a downgrade computer, I would set it to 30 FPS. For downscale filters as well, I would set it to either Lumcros for if you have a really good computer. If you have a medium or a really good computer, I would set it to Bluebic. If you have a downgrade computer, I would definitely set it to bilinear. So hopefully that does help you out as well. Also, if you are planning on to stream to whatever platform like Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, all those places, but if you are into multi-streaming like I am, you can also use some relay services like Streamlabs or Restream. You can definitely check them out as well. They have a really good website. Plus, you have to sign up for a premium plan if you want to stream to more platforms. But if you want to stream to two, you can also stream with the Streamlabs dual output for the multi-stream as well. That is for free. But if you want to stream horizontally, you would have to pay a Streamlabs Ultra subscription or to stream to more platforms. But with Restream, it is free, which you can set that up on OBS, or you can set it up on Streamlabs or whatever platform you're streaming on. Definitely, you are allowed to stream to two platforms, so for free. So for the free plan, so you can do that as well. So you could also use another website that I guess someone mentioned about was Castery, which is another website as well for multi-streaming. It's Livestream as well for low downgraded computers as well. But I hope definitely this video definitely does help you out to set up a live stream effectively. Let me know down in the comments if I did a really great job. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. I hope you guys definitely did enjoy it. Know the Gamer 808 here, and I'll see you guys in the next Know the Gamer 808 Vlogs and Reactions channel video.